Okay, my name is Stephnora. I would say this is like the first time I will actually go for something like this, yeah, and it was really interesting. I learned about how to create ads from Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, generally all social media, yeah, and it's something I've been looking forward to have a total grasp, and I think I really enjoyed myself today. Of course, at least I'm sure that with the knowledge I've gained today, I'll be able to impart it to another person because the teaching was very expository. So I had a practical feel of what it feels like to see the film. Yeah. Of course I will. You keep refreshing. Building and practice makes for perfection. So I'll definitely attend. Well, one striking thing is that everyone here is friendly, yeah, and there's this conducive environment for learning. There is no tension. I was a bit pensive coming in the morning because I didn't know what to expect, especially when you're coming to, this is like literally my first time in this locality. It wasn't difficult for me to locate. That's when it was quite easy, and then the atmosphere was really friendly for me and conducive for me to learn, so I really enjoyed my time here.